guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing my Influencer VoxBox unboxing. So this is a website that you can do reviews of different products on, and then sometimes you'll get sent VoxBoxes, which this is the Spark VoxBox. I've received like 3 VoxBoxes so far. And pretty much it just comes with different products that you try and then review on their website and do a couple different things. So I'll leave a little cue for like one of the other VoxBox videos I did. But the first thing we got is a coupon for this Country Crock made with sunflower oil. So I guess it's like sunflower oil butter, sort of, in a way. And there's a coupon for a free one. So I'll have to go get that. When's it expire? 12/31/18. Okay, so there's that. And then I have opened this already because it sat outside on my porch for a little while and it's been super hot, like 90s, almost 100 degrees here. So I did open it to see if there was like lotions or perfume in it, to make sure they didn't like get too hot or anything. But then I got these are the Whispers 100% cotton makeup removing wipes, and they're normally $5.99. I've never heard of this brand, and it says they're unnaturally natural. I like the packaging, and then like you open it and there's a little peel here that you open. Nice. I'm excited to try this. They seem to be like wet and like moist, like just feeling the package. So that's good that they didn't dry out. Alright, then I got this razor, which is the Pure Silk Spa Therapy Razor, Contour 6 Double Flex Head. It has 1 handle and 2 cartridges. So there's that. And normally it is $10. Nice. Just bought a new razor. I wish I would have waited like 2 days and I could have tried that. But yeah. So then the last thing, no, I got one more thing after this. This is from Live Clean, and it's their coconut milk lotion, and has 17 fluid ounce, and it's normally $5.99. I like the shape of the bottle. It's really nice. And it's got a pump on it. I really like the look of this. What does that mean? That leaf. I don't know what the signs mean. It's not tested on animals. It's plant derived from certified organic botanicals, mineral oil free, hypoallergenic. Looks pretty good. I'm excited to try it. Right now I'm using the Bath & Body Works Live Fresh or something like that lotion. Yeah. I have it like always sitting at my computer, and I actually use it to hold up my camera. So alright, then the final thing I have is from Pantene, and it's the In Shower Foam Conditioner, and it's the Daily Moisture Renewal Conditioner for fine flat hair. Not a big fan of Pantene. I used to be obsessed with it, but it does some really bad things to your hair. But I'll give it like a little try. I'm not that excited about it, but it'll be alright. But it's like foam. It smells really nice. It's really lightweight. I have really thick hair though, and it's for fine hair, so I don't know how it's going to work on my hair. It smells really nice, like fresh. But yeah, so that's it that I got in my influencer box. Sorry, I'm not very like hyped up or anything. I don't know. I'm kind of upset right now. I've got a lot going on in my head and in life in general, so yeah. But I'm gonna get off here. I got one more video to film, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 4 times a week, and if you guys have comments, questions, concerns, whatever, you can leave those in the comment section down below, and I will reply to every single one of them that I can, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!